Best luck tayo ng mga kapuso, kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, Argel! Maayong buntag mga kapuso ug welcome to Bistalk. Karong buntaga atong makauban ang OPM Acoustic Princess, walay lain kundi si kapusong Princess Velasco. Maayong buntag, Miss Princess, and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How have you been?
Maayong buntag, Attorney Resi, yan, sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Okay naman ako, sana kayo ay all okay also.
We're very happy to know that you have just welcomed your third child. Congratulations! Paano mo naman na-prepare yung iyong pregnancy and giving birth despite of course the challenges posed by the pandemic?
Yes, this is actually a very wonderful Christmas gift for my family. At last, a baby girl. And actually, it's been relatively easy, my pregnancy for this one. My third pregnancy, hindi ako pinahirapan ni baby. But at first, when I found out, kasi talagang pandemic baby siya eh. I found out I was pregnant mga around April, ganyan. I was so scared. Actually, I was crying. Siguro the pregnancy hormones also, diba, contributed to that. Because I was worried. I was medyo, diba, parang may konting anxiety of bringing a baby into this world full of uncertainty because of the pandemic and everything that happened. Kasi, diba, all of us were surprised with what happened. We didn't expect that we will be confined in our homes for a very long time. And how about the checkups, yung mga ganyan. So actually, my first checkup with my OB, ano na ako noon, magi 8 months na ako, na face-to-face. We would always communicate via messaging lang yan sa phone.
Once again, congratulations. And now that you have a bigger family ngayon, we're wondering naman, Mrs., how do you manage to take care of your family while at the same time taking care of yourself and pursuing your personal passions in life?
Being a singer, I'm very, very lucky because part-time job lang talaga siya. And syempre, I have the support of my husband, and yung mga kasambahay namin dito sa house namin are very, very helpful. Yung dalawang anak ko kasi, may 2 boys, 5-year-old and 2-year-old. Medyo hindi naman super alagain na. So I'm really just focused on the baby. And tuloy pa rin naman yung work. Actually, mas madali ngayon kasi I don't have to go out anymore. So if I have like a singing engagement, like meron akong, kasi Christmas, diba? So may mga corporate events pero online lang siya. So kung hindi tayo nakaano sa bahay, I have to go out and do that. Pero now, I can say yes kasi even if I'm at home, I can do the engagement, I can do the singing.
Mrs., alam mo, kahit despite all the setbacks that we're experiencing right now because of COVID-19, we're so happy that you've brought with us some Christmas cheer with your new song. Please tell us more about it.
Yes, I'm so happy and blessed to be able to release a Christmas song this year. That the title of the song is The Newborn King. And this is extra special because it was written by my dad. Yan, kaka-birthday lang niya no November 22. And this is actually my birthday/Christmas gift for him because he asked me to sing the song that he wrote in 1964. So that was 56 years ago.
That is so heartwarming. Ano yung message nung kanta, The Newborn King?
Yes, The Newborn King, it's about, of course, the true meaning of Christmas, which is the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ, diba? Siguro, ang pinaka-message ng song na we want to impart is that pag nagsiselebrate tayo ng Christmas, huwag natin kalimutan what it's about. And, of course, it's about the love of God na binigay niya sa atin ng kanyang anak.
Dagan kayong salamat, Miss Princess, for your time ngayong umaga.
Dagan salamat din sa'yo, Attorney Resi.
And that was Kapusong Princess Velasco. Tutok lang mo mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.